Hello, wonderful viewers. You're welcome to Devalour's Kitchen. Stay put as I take you on guide on how to prepare oha soup. This is the meat. We are saucing it with pepper, salt, seasoning, shallot. That's shallot. Now the meat is on fire. Wow, it's done already. Oh my God, so delicious. This man, you no go kill yourself. All right, now this is the ede we are going to use to thicken the soup. Now we are adding it on fire. All right. At this point, we have added our ogiri. So you can see the vegetable. It's very simple to prepare. Very simple. You too can do it. Look at the pot. Look at inside our pot. Very delicious. Very delicious. Can your madam do this? Very delicious. Click subscribe and subscribe to our channels. We'll be bringing more goodies to you. Thank you for watching.